Hey YouTube, this is AIRSOFT Ninja 1999, and I'm going to show you a shooting test of all my airsoft guns. The first gun here is the JG M4 M733. I have a drum mag for it, just didn't feel like bringing it out for this shooting test. Okay, there's the birdhouse I'm going to be trying shooting. This is, well, first I'm just going to shoot semi-auto. That was firing from the hip. I wasn't shooting at the birdhouse there. And now I'm going to be shooting full auto. It is a very, very fast gun. For what I need anyways, but some people say it's slow, whatever. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in on the birdhouse a little bit more. And this is going to be on semi-auto. I hit it like at least 7 times there. Okay, this is going to be full auto. You probably see that there. Okay, that's it for the JG M4. My next gun is the Stinger P30 Crossman. Let me zoom out there. Probably can't even see it. Okay, Stinger P30 Crossman. Okay, and I'm just going to shoot once or twice here. It's not too good of a gun, but whatever. And now I'm going to try to hit the birdhouse. Put in consideration I said try. You probably couldn't see that because that was a black BB. Try getting a white one out here. Yeah, it curves off very good. You saw that one. It's just very inaccurate, so here is my best pistol that I have. It is, I'll zoom out here. Hold on, I'm gonna shoot a wasp here. Never mind, he flew away. But it is a SMITH&WESSON. I don't know the model of it because I threw the box away. But here we go. Now I'm going to try to hit the feeder. Hit it first shot, right? Oh, you probably couldn't see that though. Hold on. Gotta zoom in a little. That time it was a black BB. Couldn't see that, but yeah, it hit. I think I'm out, or that was a black BB. Okay, well, we're moving on to the next gun. This right here is a little airsoft gun that I got pretty much from a flea market. It's a very crappy gun. I only use it for like when I get captured, playing like take the prisoners, like game like that. It only shoots probably like at minimum, like maximum 7 feet. Yeah. It shot like halfway through that mulch there. That's it. Okay. No, it's a very crappy gun, but the next gun here is the Colt MK2. Pretty nice gun. I'm not saying it's the best, but whatever. And now we're going to try to hit the birdhouse. That was just a random shot. It curves down very much, so probably didn't see that. Probably didn't see that either, but you saw that, I think. Okay, next gun is a SEMA I don't know the model on this because I got it with a free with a tactical vest. So it seems pretty crappy. Okay, now I gotta shoot that wasp. Okay, he flew away again, but okay, back to the topic. Yeah, it's a pretty crappy gun, but whatever. I'll try to hit the birdhouse because I think I'm low on ammo. I was aiming like right for the bowl there. Oh, whoops, it wasn't zoomed in. Okay. I mean, it's alright, but whatever. Ain't the best, as you can probably see. Okay, the next gun is a DPMS M4. And here it is. Got dual magazines. I made that myself with duct tape and shotgun shells. Yeah. And the video before this that I made, didn't put it on YouTube yet, but I ain't gonna put it on YouTube. I like pulled back the slide here so much because it's spring. It shot out like 5 BBs at once. It looked kind of cool, but it only went like to the start of the grass right there. Okay. This is just a shot. It curves up very bad. I just had it turned sideways, so it went to the left. Here I'm going to try to hit the birdhouse. I got to zoom in for you. Okay, in full zoom. Wow, that was surprising. I actually hit it. You probably heard that or saw it hit the glass, but wow, that's very surprising. This is like a $40 Walmart gun. Walmart, Dick's, whatever. Yeah, and that's about it. I will be posting a like a review of all my airsoft stuff. That'll be going up with this video, so okay, this is Airsoft Ninja 1999. See ya.